Hey guys, in this video we're going to make the asteroid spawn at different spots randomly. So let's get that started. Just going to click play for a second, see where we're at. Okay. So what we're going to need is spawn points, game object, empty. And to make this video simple, we're just going to make 3 of them. Call these spawn points. Alright, and 0, 0, 0, and then we're going to duplicate this and call it spawn point 1. Duplicate it. Spawn point 2 and spawn point 3, and then drag all these into your spawn points to make it more organized. Alright, make this a little bigger on the scene. So you need to find your spawn points and then zoom out a little bit and pick where you want them at. And I'm just going to drag them in different spots. Alright, so there's our 3 spawn points, and now we need to, the asteroids should all be rigid bodies and prefabs, if I remember correctly. Yeah, they're all prefabs, so that's good. So now we need to go to our scripts, create a new script called spawn asteroids. Make sure this is zoomed in all the way. That should be good enough. Alright, and now we need to what is it? We need our transforms where our spawn points are. And we're using public so we can drag our spawn point positions in the inspector. Alright. What is wrong with this? Oh, okay, we gotta put this to 3. Alright, and then we're going to need the rigid bodies. So we do public, game object, nope, public rigid body. What is it? Big asteroid. Largest asteroid. Public rigid body. Large asteroid. Public rigid body. Medium. average size. And then we got public rigid body, small asteroid. All right. Let me look at something real quick. Alright, so we just make the instance, okay. So all we have to do is copy this code that we already have, and I'll just copy it and explain it. So to save time on the video, so we need to make a function. And we're going to call this a spawn. And we're not going to need input. So get rid of the input. And we don't need a sound effect. So we're going to have to generate a random number. So let's make a public integer random number to choose. All right. Then in the spawn, we're going to do what is it? Random num equals random dot range. And then inside the parentheses, you do how many numbers you want. Let's see here. We have 3 spawn points. All right, let's just start with 15 for now. When you do your random.range, you always do one more than what you need. So if we're going to do 15, you need to put 16. All right. And then all we do is do an if statement. Wow, that was retarded. If random num equals 1, then do something. Is 1, then spawn talking way too fast. Alright, so if it is 1, then make it appear at this certain spot. And you can see right here that we have to create a new rigid body, which is going to be a clone rigid body. And then we need to have an instance. We're going to call it asteroid instance. To a new clone asteroid. Alright. And then we need to, underneath it, actually use it to asteroid instance equals instantiate. We want to instantiate the big rock